What's going on, people from the YouTube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. Quick update on the sweet potatoes. So, if you remember, the centers were the ones that had full root systems already. So all the centers have new leaves growth, new leaf growth, and all of these were full rooted systems. Same with that one, Momo. Same with that one. Now, these little guys didn't have full root systems. It was just the nuts. But if you look closely, see if we can pick it up here. We got new leaves. Same in here. Got new leaf growing in there. We got new leaf. We got new leaf growing in there. So they're all growing new leaves. Now they don't look the greatest, but it's taking longer than the full rooted, which was to be expected. So the way that I've been watering these guys is or either really early morning or later after the sun has come down, so the leaf doesn't have too much damage. So they're sticking, so it's about 2 weeks. It's 2 days short for 2 weeks. But if you look, soil is wet. It's moist, so the top layer is a little dry, but once they stick up, I'm gonna put straw on it to help with that. Now, as far as the potatoes where we got them from, we're starting more growth over there. Now let's go and take a look at the slips. These are just ones that have little root systems growing, so I separated them. These are ones that grew full root systems that I'm going to be giving my friend Kim for her to plant. So we're going to grow these ones, we're going to grow them, we're going to pot them, but it's just for us to eat the leaves because apparently they taste really good. So there you have it, 2 weeks in, and it seems that every single one of those leaves that we grew, that we planted, stick to it. Some of them are going to be slower on rooting it out because they didn't have a root system to begin with. It was just the nut. But as you can see, they're producing new leaves, so they're sticking to it. So, and the other ones we're going to plant them just to eat the leaves because people said that they taste really good. So we're going to find out. So there you go, quick update on the sweet potato grow. Pancho out.